This segment of our how-to guide deals with the protection and beautification of your asphalt driveway. You should have completed all cleaning and repairs necessary before reaching this point. Make sure you have the following items before we begin. It's important to pick the right time to seal your driveway. All Epoxyshield sealers can be applied at temperatures between 10 and 30 degrees Celsius. On hotter days, over 25 degrees Celsius, it's better to apply the sealer either early in the morning or in the early evening. You should also check that no rain is forecast for 24 hours following sealer application. As always, before you begin any sealing work on your driveway, ensure the surface is clean and clear of all contaminants. Sweep dirt and check that the driveway is free of any weeds or grass clippings. Once your driveway is ready for sealing, simply open the container and roll right out of it. Using a cross-roll technique gives you better coverage and ensures that your asphalt surface is coated sufficiently. Remember to maintain a wet edge at all times. Allow 4 hours before driving on newly sealed asphalt. Note that if the temperature on the day is above 27 degrees Celsius, lightly sprinkle the asphalt surface with water prior to sealing. The best preventative care you can take is to simply seal your driveway before any damage has been done. Epoxyshield has a complete line of resurfacers and sealers that deliver superior protection, performance, and durability to keep your driveway looking as good as it did when it was first installed.
Thank you for using Rust-Oleum. For nearly 100 years, we've been giving people the power to change.